MangoYellow Quick Detailer. I am ready for action, already put my towel in a 4-fold. And what does this MangoYellow Quick Detailer do? It removes dusts, it removes fingerprints, it partially will remove watermarks, water spots as well. It will boost existing layers of paint sealants based on polymer or Teflon, and it will add crazy slickness to your paint. You might have seen that the bonnet is not perfectly polished, and that has a reason. The bonnet is only 65 microns thick, so we're gonna not take any kind of risk with this. We're only gonna work a little bit with a finishing polish and a wax afterwards to give it that good finishing touch, but we're not gonna cut on this thin kind of paint. This is why the bonnet is not super perfect. So moving on with the MangoYellow Quick Detailer. Let's first start with removes dusts and fingerprints. So just apply my top sprayer. Step 1, spray it sparingly on the surface. Step 2, folding your long fibered happy end towel into a 4-fold. Then wipe in one direction. So I'll tilt the towel over my already treated section. I'm gonna wipe in one direction, and I'm gonna do that because when I potentially have hairs or dust or sand, it will be getting closed in into the microfibers. Step 3 is letting it cure for 20 to 30 seconds and then re-wipe it with an unused dry side of your long fibered happy end towel, like this. And I can already feel that slickness that the synthetic polymer base is giving in this product to the paint. So, how does slick paint feels like? Easy peasy. Another common problem is that you have some polishing rests after doing the paint correction, like in this case we have here. So in this case I could actually use the standard spray and spray it on the surface, but chances are 99% that I will also have a lot of mist of my intended sprays over other parts of the engine bay. So in this case I'm gonna spray into my long fibered happy end towel, and I'm gonna wipe here, easy peasy, in one direction. To remove polishing dust from the surface. Since it can haze a little bit, I'm gonna refold the towel and give it an extra wipe with an unused part of my microfiber towel. And while we're here, we're gonna do the same thing to the bonnet part, because we might see some polishing dust there as well. Spray in the towel, wipe in one direction, use an unused side of your towel, dry, or a second towel, and give it that extra wipe. Because after detailing, we should always do a final control before we give the car back to the customer. So here we see a lot of polishing dust as well. Spray in the towel. Wipe in one direction, switch to my dry side of the towel, Just one extra, here we see a lot of, I think it's watermarks or something like that, these kind of stains. And we have polishing dust as well. Spray in the towel. Give it easy a wipe in one direction. Let's gonna try MangoYellow Quick Detailer also on water spots. Again, we spray in the towel. We're gonna wipe. Nou, dat gaat niet meer lekker. In one direction. I'm gonna re-wipe with a dry set of our towel. This doesn't work. Let's try if this works. MangoYellow just couldn't do good enough here because this is quite heavily. Luckily, we have the vanilla cream wax. Tip it on, make sure the machine is on setting 1. As you can see, vanilla cream wax is not only a wax. It's a finishing polish and a canobble wax in one. It's got great usability on the toughest water spots, as we can see over here. That has nothing to do with the MangoYellow Quick Detailer, but it was really nice to show to you as an extra bonus in this video. Sometimes I really think this is a wonder product. To learn all details about vanilla cream wax, click the video.